Hello friends, welcome to the Nifty and BankNifty daily post-market technical analysis. This analysis is going to be for Tuesday 3rd of May. And I'm going to analyze the intraday movement on 28th April and then the overall daily movement. And with that, I'll draw some conclusions for the outlook of the index movement on 3rd of May. Let us start with Nifty 50. And we'll go down to 15-minute intraday level and see how the index has behaved, and based on that we will draw some conclusions. Okay, so on 28th index opened at 17,956, which is higher than the previous close. So one thing to note here is during the last half an hour of the previous session, index actually rose sharply beyond the day's beyond the intraday trend, and eventually index opened higher than the close. But after that there was some initial profit booking which happened for I think about an hour, and after the profit booking is over, people started buying again, and throughout the day index actually showed very bullish trend, and towards the last 1 hour or so, index tried to break above 18,000 here, but there was some selling seen, and after that selling is over, during the last half an hour index sharply broke above 18,000 and closed higher. So this is the 18,000 level. See, at this point, when index first tried to breach it, and there was a sell after that, and this sell did not sustain, and now we see a break above 18,000, which looks like a very convincing breakout, I would say, above 18,000. So finally we have the index that has broken above 18,000. And what can happen after this? So one thing to note is at this point, when the index has broke above 18,000, by this time itself index is considerably oversold because of this sharp bull run, and possibly on Monday, on one hand we can think that index may open up slightly above, but then it will see some profit booking. We don't know whether it will stop here at 18,000 or maybe this level 18,000 sorry, not 18,000, 17,980, 18,000 to 17,980 can be a support for the index if we see a profit booking on Tuesday morning. But if this profit booking doesn't stop at this level, then we may see index coming up to 17,920 to 17,900 level. This could be the next support. So after this, if we see a bounce, and if the bounce sustains, maybe index can go up. It can, let us see where it can, how far it can go up. For that we have to go back and look at the daily level time frame, and here we can note that somewhere here about 17,000 I think 17,230 to 17,100 is a decent enough strong resistance there. So if the next week index happens to take a small correction and it bounces back, it may go and then maybe depending on the resistance that appears here, it may break the resistance or it may turn back from there. However, we have to see whether there will be a correction or not on Tuesday. If there is only small correction, then we may actually, if the bullish movement is strong enough, we may see it going and testing 18,200 levels right away on Tuesday. That is 2nd of May. But if there happens to be a correction, there may be a correction up to 17,900 or 17,880, somewhere between 17,900 to 17,800, index may find a support. And after this correction also, then it may go up if there happens to be strong bullish movement. So this is the technical outlook for Nifty 50 for Monday. And we'll go and now look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty drilling down to the 15-minute level. The Bank Nifty's case is also similar to Nifty. It opened higher than the previous close. There was some profit booking that happened, and after that there is some sustained buying seen. And towards the last 15 minutes, there was a very bullish sharp rise. So this also has pushed the index into overbought regions. So there may be some profit booking that we can see via either a gap up and a fall below that, or it may open slightly lower, then after some profit booking it may go up. So this can happen on Tuesday morning. And coming back to daily level, oh sorry, I'm very sorry, I'm still looking at Nifty 50 only. Let us go and look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty case is also same, similar to Nifty 50. It formed a very decent support intraday, and after that it rallied, and it rallied sharply towards the close of the day. So if there happens to be some profit booking or correction in Bank Nifty, the first support could be somewhere at 43,000 level, I would say. This would be the first support, and beyond that we have to agree that this would be the next support, 42,800 maybe. 42,800 will be the next support. If 42,800 also happens to be broken, then index may fall down a bit, but otherwise 42,800 seems to be a very decent support for Bank Nifty if there happens to be a profit booking or correction happening. And going to the daily level in Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is close to, see, this is like 44,000 or nearly 44,000 or something. Yeah, this was the previous high. Bank Nifty has actually broken this trend high, this trend high, and this trend high so far. And this seems to be the next resistance for Bank Nifty, 43,600. This may be attained on Tuesday. If it does, this may offer some resistance. Otherwise, if there happens to be some correction, then it may eventually come and test this. That depends on the price action on Tuesday. So, but if the bullish movement continues, then 43,600 in Bank Nifty seems to be a very good resistance so far. So this is the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 2nd of May, Tuesday. And I'll again make another video with the weekly analysis of both the indices. So stay tuned to watch that. I'll upload it probably by evening like that. And do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm posting regular daily technical analysis videos on both the indices, which are very straightforward, simple, and without any no nonsense talk. So do follow the channel if you like this analysis. Thank you.